Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut in PC. So if you already installed CapCut in your phone, you can sign in, of course, with the same account in the capcut.com. So here there is two ways to use CapCut in your laptop or your PC. For example, you can use CapCut, a free online video editor. This is the web-based video editor. You don't have to download it, so you can edit your project in here. But the first rule is you must sign in first. Then another way is you can download for free. Here you can download CapCut and install CapCut in your PC. Here we go. This is the CapCut that I already downloaded. But don't forget to sign it with the same account with your mobile phone version, so you can synchronize your project here. So you can create project, or you can import project or synchronize project that you already edit before in your mobile version, Android or iPhone. Here there is a stock material or library. That also there's the feature on your mobile version. Here there is some differences. Maybe there is some feature like templates. You cannot use template in this PC version, but you can use template in a video editor browser, based on browser. So feel free to try download this PC version of CapCut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.